Well, this is how our 2020 starting. A big soggy mess. We can going after them now though. The rain just now quit. It's been pouring down all morning. It's April 18th. It's Youth Day here in West Virginia. We're getting a late start this morning. It has poured down the rain all night, especially right around daylight, just hammering the rain outside. So the rain just now shut off. We're waiting on Josh to get here, and we're going to go after a bird this morning. Had a couple of them roost up close to where we'll be hunting at this morning. Seen them yesterday, so we should be right in them this morning. Bella killed a bird here last year, her first turkey on Youth Day last year, and we'll go and see if we can get number 2. You ready, girl?
Yeah.
Watch what you said, Bella. Be quiet. Watch what you said. Shut up for a minute. He may be coming. Go get him, girl. Go get him. Go get him. Hey, Dad. She killed them both at the same shot. She killed both gobblers with the same shot. She killed 2 gobblers. Go get her. Alright, go ahead, tell us what happened.
Well, it's a rainy morning. It's youth day today, and we come up here at our cabin to turkey hunt, and gobbler was gobbling down the other point there, and then he shut up for a long time. He snuck in all the way, and he surprised us. He didn't start gobbling. He was right on us. He was our decoys, and both birds were coming up, and I was in the belly behind her. And I told her whenever she got a good shot to go ahead and take him, and when she did, one shot, she killed 2 gobblers with 1 shot.
It's a pretty eventful day. We started off that morning, and our cameraman Josh had overslept on us. It was raining that morning when we first woke up, and the rain was supposed to let up, and he had accidentally overslept. So we was getting in the woods last minute, and I decided to be cameraman that morning and let my father sit with Isabella. Well, I had set up above them, and I had a different angle and view on the birds that had come in on us. And long story short, two gobblers come in on decoys, and my dad was sitting with my little girl and told her that she could go ahead and shoot, and they couldn't see both gobblers. Well, from my point of view, I could, and when she shot, they both went down. And she jumped up out of excitement running for her bird, and actually jumped over one of the birds that was laying behind a log and didn't even see it. And she had no idea she had killed 2 turkeys. But in the state of West Virginia, you can only kill 1 turkey a day. So that's what I'd like to talk to y'all about this evening, the proper ways to go about things if this accidentally happens. And it happens a lot. It happens all the time. And the only thing we can do as hunters, as good conservationists, is do the right thing. And that's just what we did. I reported it to our local game warden. They were very nice about everything. They watched the footage. He told me that if I wanted to be able to show the footage, they would write me a warning for possession of too many birds in a day. So that's exactly what they did. They wrote me a warning, which this is the first time I've ever been warned about anything, and it really wasn't that big of a deal. But the whole reason why I went through all this is so, for one, to teach Isabella the proper steps of going about things. You know, if you harvest a bird like that, and to teach you guys as well, if anything was to ever happen like that. They're the future of hunting, so you gotta teach them right. You're not out there just teaching them how to kill animals. You're out there teaching them how to respect animals and respect the law, and respect the laws of the state, and be a good conservationist. And that's what we did. So we appreciate y'all watching our video, and we hope y'all continue to watch them in the future, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channels and stuff, and follow along with us. And we always have a good old time, have good old hunts to show you. So thank you guys very much for watching.